Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use TurboTax in 2025. So if you found the video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And now let's get started. So firstly, what we're going to do is access TurboTax. So we're going to go to either the website. So if you go to Google and just type in TurboTax, you'll go to this official website from Intuit. So open up, click it, and then you'll go to the official website, or you can also download the TurboTax app if you want to. Okay, well, I will just use this official website here. So this is their official website. So now what we're going to do, you're going to go and create an account. If you already have an Intuit account, you can log in using your Intuit account, but if you don't, then you need to sign up for an account. So I'm going to click on for a sign up. If you already have an account, click on sign in, but if you don't have, you're creating an account, click on sign up. Okay, and then we're going to go and do this sign up process. So let's do that. And then here all you have to do is just plug in an email address and a password for Intuit account and a phone number. Okay, and then click on create to create an account. So we're going to just do that. All right, so once you've logged in, you'll get to this page here. So that's the home page here. So once you have logged in, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start like doing up our tax process. So click on got it. So we're going to like simply start the process. So and it's going to start off with these basic questions here. So you're going to answer simply these basic multiple choice questions. Just answer that and then click on continue. Next you'll get to this page here. So it's going to ask you again another question: how comfortable do you feel doing your own taxes? So you can just choose any of these options that best suits you. I will just put comfortable, click on continue and proceed to the next page here. Okay, so and once you get to the next page here, so now what we're going to do, you got these three options here. So you have different plans here that you can choose to, and then you can use that and you can start it. So you have different options here, so you can choose whatever that suits you, or else you can also choose this do it yourself, start for free. So in this case I'm going to choose that, start for free. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to click that and then go to the next step here. And then here it's going to ask you next question: how did you do your tax last year? So you can just answer this question if you like, whatever that's your answer is. You can just choose your answer. I'll just choose I didn't file tax last year. I'll just choose that, click on continue and move to the next page here. And next one, once you get to this page here, all right, so next page here, so you'll get to this screen here. So based on your data you provided, this is the time that it will take for you to complete this process. So you can just close that, and then we're going to start off the process with your basic things like your name, date of birth, those information. So just fill those informations and click on continue and to proceed to the next page or next step. And next you're going to plug in your address and phone number details. Just plug those details in, and then what you're going to do is click on continue. Next you'll get to this page here where you need to add your social security number. So you can simply provide that, or else you can also skip it for now and then provide it later. I'm going to just do that, skip for now, and then let's move to the next page here. So here you're going to answer all these questions here. So it's just simple multiple choice questions. You read each question and then answer them honestly, and then that will take you to the next process here. So once that's done, click on continue and go to the next process here. Next, provide details about your household. Same thing, you just have to provide those details, and then once that's done, click on continue and proceed to the next page here. So and it's going to ask you more questions. Did you make money in any other states? Then you can just answer that, click on continue and then proceed. So keep going. So you just simply answering basic questions and then keep going. So it's going to ask you for these important updates. If you want to get notified, you can select these, or else you can simply click on continue and skip that process if you want to. Okay, you can do that, and then it's going to ask you, so it's going to give you your profile information. So I didn't plug in my SSN number yet, so that's why it's saying review, and then the rest everything is complete. And once that's done, click on continue. Okay, and then go to the next process here. So here, okay, so just a couple of things. So what happens here is you go to like review and sign, and then click on review and sign, and then it's going to ask you for your name and everything. Just plug in those details and then click on agree, and then click on agree. sign it and then click on agree, and then you'll get to move to the next page here. So click on review. Once that's done, and then here plug in your name and just hit on agree. Once that's done, click on continue and proceed to the next phase of this process. So, and you'll get to this page here. So now what happens, it'll give you more protections with more plans here. So if you want, you can just add that, but if you don't want to, you can simply click on don't add and then just proceed with our application or the process here. So now you come to this page here where you go to add your incomes and all those information. So you click on add income, and then what we're going to do is you're going to click on these. You're going to answer these questions here. Did you get dividend holding from company stocks? So just answer. Well, based on your roots, you can just answer that. Okay, so you can answer. So whatever your circumstances are, just based on it, just answer these questions here. Okay, and then once that's done, all right, now what you have to do is you have to complete these 3 sections here. So one is your W2 form. So you don't have to, like, it's nothing much to worry. All you have to do is click on start, and then similarly it will ask questions for your W2 form. It will ask you a few questions. Just answer each questions and click on continue. As long as you answer each question, you'll simply move around and then you'll complete that. Once that's completed, next is this one, self-employment income expenses. You can click on it and then do it, complete it. And next one is the investments and savings, these forms here. So this one, click on start and then complete it, and then complete the form. So these all are the basic details about your income and expenses which you need to complete. So once that's done, you can click on continue and then process with the next options here, next stage of the process. Okay, so once that's done here, so now what will happen here it's asking if you need expert help. So you can just continue without it, you don't need it. Okay, so you can continue, and then as long as you process, you will have more details that you have to answer. So more questions will come, you just have to answer each questions, and then once that's done, all you have to do, so here on your first page, on your page here, so if you click on your my tax info here, so here if you go to your tax form here this will show you overview of the whole process that you'll be doing, right from personal info to your income expenses, your deductions, your other tax situations, state taxes, review, and this is the final stage where you finish and file it. So you're going to complete each one of these, like each section of these. We completed personal info and we are currently doing income and expenses, so you just complete that, and then you'll have few more sections here which you just simply have to click on it, and then you can just click on it and you can click on get started to do it. So complete each section. So all the same thing, you're just answering few questions and that's it, answering questions based on your circumstance. Once that's done, you get to this page here, you get to the review page here where you review and then review it, and once that's done, you click on this finish and file option here and click on get started, and then you can simply submit your you can check your tax return and then you submit your application. So basically that's all the whole process is. All you have to do is simply follow this process and complete it one by one, and you will be done. And if you need more information on documents, you can click on the document section here where you will be able to find documents and also as well as upload documents here. So these are your documents, so you can add documents here, and also this is your linked accounts. If you have any other accounts, it's linked here and you can access them through here, and that's pretty much it is. So as long as you've done this whole process and submit it, that's it, it will be done. So it's a very easy process to actually get the whole thing done. All you have to do is simply answer questions. Hope this video was helpful to you all. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you all in another new video. Thank you.